If I had my life to live over, I know just what I'd like to be. Pampered pet of a rich brunette, sitting on my mama's knee. Someone to love me, someone to care, rub-a-dub-double little fingers through my hair and lead a dog's life. What a life, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. If I had a bone to be picking, a picking chicken or a steak, curl up there in an easy chair, man, that won't be hard to take. I'll always be faithful, that's what I'd be. Never bite the hand that feeds me, no siree, just lead a dog's life. What a life, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. I'd find me a Fifi poodle and lose my noodle over her. I'd chase her around all over town just to ruffle up her fur. Nuzzle a muzzle, a hole in her paw, greatest case of puppy loving you ever saw. It's called a dog's life, and what a life, that's good enough for me. You heard me say it now, that's good enough for me. That's good enough for me.